Hello everyone! I recently bought a Lenovo gaming laptop with really solid specs. An RTX 14700 HX and RTX NVIDIA 5050 paired with 24 gigs of RAM. On paper, this laptop is very powerful and should handle everything. However, I ran into a serious issue that I need to talk about, and I think it needs urgent attention from Lenovo. The laptop performs great in gaming, but when it comes to rendering and intensive workloads, it started to become unstable and I experienced random crashes like blue screens, black screens, freezes with no error message, and sudden restarts with no any logs. At first, I thought it's a hardware issue, so I returned the laptop under warranty. The service report said they replaced the RAM, but after I tested it again, the problem was still there. And after a lot of troubleshooting, I finally found the real cause. The issue is in the BIOS setting. Out of the box, the laptop comes with performance optimizations and overclocking features already enabled. While that might sound good, it actually makes the system unstable for many non-gaming tasks. The only solution that worked for me, going into the BIOS and disable every feature and overclocking optimization setting. So in my opinion, Lenovo really needs to fix this BIOS with any BIOS update, a good one, or maybe disable these aggressive overclocking setting by default, because right now it's causing unnecessary crash and frustration for users. This laptop has a great potential, but this issue seriously affects the experience. For now, I have decided to keep these settings disabled permanently to be able to use the laptop normally, and I advise you to do the same as well if you have the same laptop, because this will save you a lot of headache. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps anyone facing the same issue. Also, I really appreciate your like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.